I'm gonna show you the 21 best low-carb vegetables and its benefits. Bell peppers. These are anti-inflammatory and high in vitamins A and C. Broccoli. It's high in vitamin C and K and may reduce insulin resistance and help prevent cancer. Asparagus. It's a good source of several vitamins and may help protect against certain types of cancer. Mushrooms. They can reduce inflammation in people with metabolic syndrome. Zucchini. Zucchini and other types of summer squash contain 3 grams of digestible carbs per serving and are high in vitamin C. Spinach. It is very high in vitamin K and helps protect heart and eye health. Avocados. They promote feelings of fullness and are high in heart-healthy fat and fiber. Cauliflower. It is also high in vitamin K and C and may help prevent heart disease and cancer. Green beans. It contains antioxidants that may help prevent cancer and protect the brain. Lettuce. It's high in several vitamins including folate, which may lower heart disease risk. Garlic. It may reduce blood pressure and improve immune function. Kale. It's high in antioxidants and has more than 100% of the RDI for vitamins A and C. Cucumbers. They may help protect against cancer and support brain health. Brussels sprouts. They're high in vitamin C and K and may help reduce cancer risk. Celery. It also contains luteolin, which may have anti-cancer properties. Tomatoes. These are high in vitamins and potassium. They may help protect heart health and reduce cancer risk. Radishes. They may help reduce the risk of breast cancer in older women. Onions. This may help lower blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels. Eggplant. This may help protect heart and brain health. Cabbage. It's high in vitamin C and K and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Artichokes. This may improve gut and heart health. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any suggestions for the next video, I would love to hear it in the comment section below. If this video helps you, share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to the Healthy Happy Life for more updates in our upcoming video.